Populist, Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. I'd be willing to bet that 80%, if not more of us, know that Populist wants to make life better through quality partnering. I mean, that's our company vision, right? It's broken out into two parts. Our passion, making life better, and our niche, quality partnering. We do this better than any of our competitors. And if you're asking me, better than all of what I see out there vying for my attention. See, I love Populist, and I know you do too. But why? How have we captured your heart? And how can we continue capturing the hearts of those who choose Populist? Well, the answer is within our core values, of course. Tried and true, tested and sound. These are essential attributes to any successful business. And yet, here at Populist, they've come alive in you and in me. We can feel it and almost touch it. The organic process by bringing these values to life starts with you. Starts with me again. Focusing on these intangibles not only has catapulted us into huge growth, but more importantly, captured our hearts. So let's revisit our amazing core values, shall we? First, we maintain a strong sense of intention, persistence, and determination through our commitment. Next, we demonstrate a great deal of effort and endurance to work intelligently and vigorously through our hard work. Followed by, we are responsible for our choices and our actions and the results thereof. We display a due regard for the feelings, wishes, rights, circumstances, and traditions of others. Last but not least, we demonstrate the specialized knowledge, competency, honesty, accountability, self-regulation, and demeanor required for our industry. See, we not only acknowledge our 5 core values, but we live them out in so many ways that capture the attention of those around us. And for that, you all deserve a huge thank you. Sincerely, you are seen and you are appreciated. We could not do what we do without you. And again, thank you. And I hope we all have an amazing rest of your month. Let's get it. Woo!